I'm not talking about making it your truth. Your truth is your truth, and you have to live in your truth in order to be the chaos being you say you are.
Message. Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dream Wise here for another one. Judgment Day. How to learn and grow in disillusion. Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. Nothing is true. Everything is permitted. So go for what you know and gain your knowing by being the ultimate observer.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
We all have a point of view. We all have our own truth. But in order to gain more understanding and knowledge to build on your truth, you must have an unbiased mind. You must have an unbiased mind. You must have an unbiased mind.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Thought Tahuti was the ultimate observer, able to observe it all and put it in a vacuum to have a point of view. Understanding one's truth without looking for disillusion's truth. Ideas we know as facts. Facts are just an agreed upon metric by the masses. The world isn't real, so what you're calling facts can be changed and different within the blink of an eye. Remember when you learned in public school the world is round? Now, there's a community of people who believe the world is flat. In ancient times, the known consensus was the world is flat. What's real? What's right? It doesn't matter. The main idea is, can you abstract knowledge from the information you are gaining? We are in a time and space where the mind control is overpowering our people. The constant plug of glamour and beauty is constantly being thrown in our face. The Christian motif ways sets you to believe in a good, wholesome behavior. You're going to hell if you don't follow these rules. Oops, too late. Schools train you to act a certain way and think the way of a conformed robot. The programming is set in, and the way we're trained to think is putting us in the laundry cycle of judgment. Judging others on the way they move, judging people on the ideas and concepts they've come up with, judging others if they do read books or don't. The real trick and master of this thing is to be the middle point, the ultimate observer. Go see my Invoking Tahuti video. Not judging you on the way you judge, but what if you take the time out to hear someone's perspective and understand their built-in programming they have? Instead of looking to counteract your truth, observe ego and step out of what you feel is right and wrong and build on your understanding. Understanding is a 3-part fold. First, you learn something, knowledge. Then you actually apply the knowledge with the work. Fuck won't do work. Wisdom. And then you gain an understanding. Knowledge, wisdom, understanding. Father, mother, child. Go see my Mulan Decoded video. In order to open up these understandings, you must eat greedy. You want all the knowledge. The goal is to build on your understanding. Now, I'm not talking about making it your truth. Your truth is your truth, and you have to live in your truth in order to be the chaos being you say you are.
Message.
We always try to sit on facts. Sit on these facts that was given to us by another. What if you look at the knowledge presented to you and you determine how you want to move with it? Not judging it or trying to change another's perspective on things, but being the ultimate observer and gaining perspective on their gnosis. If you ever notice on Sunday service, I have an array of individuals that bring their truth to the table and how it works for them. I never judge or correct. I'll sit there and see a point of view they're coming from. I put myself in their shoes and gain understanding from their vantage point. Knowledge is endless and forever, and it takes you to heights and places that can propel your spiritual plight into an arena of understanding.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
Dream wise. Fuck woke, do work.